to Modular Closets. In this video, we'll review the drawer assembly. Each tower unit can hold up to 4 drawers. One large drawer at the bottom and 3 smaller drawers above it. A screwdriver and drill will be needed to complete the assembly process. Lay out all of the contents and take inventory to assure nothing is missing or damaged. An item list as well as detailed assembly instructions are included with each order. Assembly manuals are also available for download through our website. Step 1. Begin by attaching the drawer face to the drawer box by screwing in 2 screws from the inside of the drawer box. Be careful not to over-tighten, as that can cause the screw to come through the front of the drawer face. Step 2. There are various options for the drawer handles. For a center drawer knob, drill a hole through the center pilot hole in the drawer box, making sure it breaks through the drawer face, and screw on the knob that came with your closets. If you would like to use a drawer pull, which is an optional add-on, drill 2 screws through the 2 pilot holes provided on either side of the center hole and attach the pull. The pre-drilled holes are intended to accommodate a 96mm drawer pull. You may need to adjust each pull to make sure it's leveled properly. Step 3. Remove the inside of the drawer slide by pulling the inside track as far as it can go. Press down on the lever and continue to pull the track towards you. To attach the drawer slides to the side of the drawer box, place the front of the slide against the drawer face and line up the holes of the slide to the pre-drilled holes on the drawer box. Step 4. To attach the drawer slides to the tower unit, position the slide over the pre-drilled holes and secure with 2 screws. Follow this step for both sides of each drawer. Be sure to keep the slides as leveled as possible to ensure optimal functions of the drawers and to have equal spacing between the drawers. Step 5. Slide the drawers into the tower by gently sliding the drawers onto the slides attached to the tower and push completely in until it clicks. In order to remove a drawer for maintenance or cleaning, pull the drawer all the way out and push down on the left lever and up on the right lever to loosen the slides from each other and pull. You've now completed the drawer assembly. Enjoy your modular closet.